Because it's a weird, because this hill's steeper than the other one.
This is sick.
Even if it's not, there's a camper
Like,
back
what the
there.
hell?
Dude, there's a freaking motorhome back there.
That's weird.
Dude, this is run the fuck down.
Yo, that truck has no windows or nothing. Yo, look at this. It's all rusted out and stuff. That truck is run down as fuck.
But this is definitely.
I don't think no. Well, maybe, because that stuff looks new. Yeah, look at those weird green bushes up there that are growing.
There's another rundown truck. Like crane thing all the way back there.
Damn.
That was nice. That was really cool. That's a cool picture. Is that a drone? No, that's
That's like a stunt plane.
Dude, this shit hasn't been like touched in so long.
Yeah, I know.
And they dug so much in the trench where they got no hard material.
Maybe they were gonna put those big white things in there.
There's a bird right there. I think it might be guarding something. The bird doesn't
That's weird. He's not even fucking moving.
move it.
Yo, how deep is this? What the hell is this?
Oh no, don't go too close to the edge because that motorhome's really fucking with you.
Yeah, I know. It kind of just looks like it's empty. That's all.
Yeah, but if there's people
Yo.
in there, they should be looking at us right now.
It's fucking sick.
That's sick. See the vegetation like blue on the bottom? It's just like sand.
That bird's still over there. That's weird.
I don't like that bird.
There's like a garbage can top over there. Oh, I think it's abandoned. I like this.
Fuck it, we're going in there.
Okay.
Not from here though.
Why not? It's not that hard. Look, you just go right through here.
Yeah.
Boom, boom.
Yeah, remember?
Be what?
There's a drop.
Okay, we'll see it.
And there's a big vegetation. If we go behind it, there's the sand that we can walk down. Yeah, I'm not fucking it's stupid. There's a drop right there. Dude, that looks creepy. Look at the rag on that thing. It's all ripped up and shit.
Wait, where? Oh yeah. Why is there pigeon running over
Is he hurt?
here? You alright?
Let's not get too close.
He's walking. He's like, I'm out of here.
Yeah. Please walk down here. Well, actually, I'm gonna walk this way. Open this way.
Yo, why is there a DVD drive? Oh shit. Or something. Or maybe a radio. It's car radio.
Gas.
Guess.
We got probably somehow. You get it?
Huh? Yeah.
That looks like a hole in a second.
No, those ropes look pretty sturdy. They have a road closed sign up on the top of that. Yeah, I know it goes all the way back and there's a little light on over there. I mean, obviously people still work there.
Where you going?
Over here. Look at these rocks, dude. You guys are good at sorting stuff. Shit. Big puddle, I don't want to get my feet in there.
So scary.
This is creepy. Because it's just so much garbage. Like, you want to go on top of this? Mike, look. Got a picture. This is all metal. This isn't sticks. That's weird.
Okay. Careful with the steps.
Oh shit.
Steps inside. These. Step like that. You gotta have a walking stick. Just down there.
God damn, these steps do not look trusted.
This is like all good. Dude, this thing was just on.
It was just on?
It's heat.
It's not just on, it maybe means
Oh yeah, it does, because this is where the motor is.
there's a train.
The sun's not really hitting this that much.
Damn.
Why would they still use this thing so flat? No, they definitely don't. Look at this.
Well, that's not where people walk, that's like the conveyor. Was this thing portable? Why is there wheels over there?
Oh my god, there's metal here. Yeah. It's blocked anyway, but still.
Oh shit, that's the lane stuff. Yo, look at these big fucking red slugs. What the hell are those? I never saw a red slug ever.
One collection.
You see them?
Are those slugs?
Yeah. Maybe they're leeches. I don't know what those are. I don't think I've ever seen a leech, so I wouldn't know. Wonder what's in there. nice chair. Look at that. We can restore that.
And like upgraded.
Yo.
Yeah, Steven would take that.
Yeah, how the hell would you get that home? That's fucking like the size of me.
Thank you. I get weird vibes, bro.
Same.
Well,
There's gonna be someone standing there.
something
like, in the
fucking fell.
distance.
That was you.
No,
That's what that noise was, right?
No, whatever fell.
I didn't throw anything.
I'm saying whatever that noise was, it was you. Whatever
Yeah, I
fell.
stepped on something.
Oh, okay. Old bucket has like an old ass brush, dude. Ooh, let me brush my hair. Frog.
Where?
There's a toad. He just jumped under that thing.
I just died from where I went to, bro.
All right, I think that should be it.